with this company's stock price railing from rupees 388 rupees to approximately 1700 rupees over the last 2 years. This company has showcased an impressive return over 300%. Strengthened by the strategic partnerships, acquisition, and a focus on niche markets, it is poised to seize emerging opportunities. Stay tuned in the video to learn more about this stock. Hello and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker, where we explore high potential small cap and SME stock opportunities. I am Bhumika Jain, Equity Research Associate at Desvelado Advisory, and in today's edition, we'll dive into the success stories of Sudarshan Chemical Industries Ltd, Shoppers Stop Ltd, and Cosmic CRF Ltd as they shape the future of their industries. As always, this is not any buy or sell recommendation. Please conduct your research before making any investment. Let's start with the first company, Sudarshan Chemical Industries Ltd. This company is specialized in the pigments sector, producing organic and inorganic pigments. Recently, this company has completed the previously announced acquisition of Blitz F24 526. Company intends to leverage its overseas expansion to outpace the global organic pigment markets, which is expected to grow at a rate of 3% over the next 5 years. Coming to the financial highlights, in the second quarter of FY25, revenue grew by 9.8% quarter on quarter to 696 crore rupees, with EBITDA margins improving to 13.5%. Company also successfully completed a preferential allotment, raising 74.9 crore rupees to support its growth initiatives. Global pigments market opportunities valued at $8.6 billion will fuel the company's next phase of growth. Moreover, management anticipates improved asset utilization and operating leverage over the next 12 to 18 months. Let's come to the next company, Shoppers Stop Ltd. This company continues to shine in the retail, focus on the omnichannel retailing and private label development. Recently, it released its financial results for this third quarter of FY25, which showed a 353.7% quarter-on-quarter increase in the bottom line. Company's total income grew by 24.7% from the last quarter. Coming to the net profit margin, it increased to 3.8% from the negative 1.9% in the second quarter of FY25. Company plans to add 60 to 65 stores in the coming quarter. It added 19 Intune stores already, bringing the total to 50 with a target of 100 more stores. And these are expected to contribute positively to the EBITDA by the end of FY25. Company is also indulging in strategic partnerships such as Max Factor, which position the company as a retail innovator. Coming to the third company, Cosmic CRF Ltd. It is a leader in cold rolled formed products, catering to the industries like railways and automotive. Company has also received a favorable NCLT Delhi bench order for the acquisition of Amazon Transportation Private Limited. It will bolster the management's aim to capture 15 to 20% of the market share in the rail wagon manufacturing. Company has achieved 22.3% revenue growth in the first half of FY25, supported by the strong order inflows. Management has also expressed an intent to acquire the Cosmic Spring and Engineers Limited, which would further increase the overall capacity to approximately 110,000 metric tons per annum. That's a wrap up for today's Noisemaker. For any details, refer to our attached video in the description below. Stay ahead, stay informed.